Good morning, one and all gather here. I am Dr.M.P.Revathi, Professor and Head Department of Computer Science Cyber Security, JJCET. Then I am going to present my presentation, Cloud Computing. So, Cloud Computing, the topic is Cloud Computing Security and Challenges. So, first overview of our presentation, what is Cloud Computing and key features of cloud computing, benefits of cloud computing, security and challenges. So first we are see the what is cloud computing. So cloud computing is a technology that enables our demand access to computing resources such as servers, storage, databases and software. So over the internet, it eliminates the need for physical infrastructure, allowing business to scale efficiency and reduced IT cost. So IT cost means there is information technology cost. So cloud computing is generally they anywhere, anytime they access the data remotely in 24/7. Then what are the key features of cloud computing? The key features are on-demand access, scalability, then cost efficiency, high availability, security and backup. Here what is on-demand access? So on-demand access is nothing but the resources are available when needed without manual intervention. When needed without manual intervention, that is called the on-demand access. Then scalability, it can easily expand or reduce the resources based on our demand. The customer's demand, we are expand the scalability or reduce the our need based on the reduce the our data or server or hardware, anything we reduce it for scalability. The next we go for the cost efficiency. So cost efficiency means it reduces the capital investment in physical hardware. So whenever we need for the set for our cloud lab means we are expanded the lab means the cost is very high. So we go for the cloud, we reduce our cost. Because for whenever we need for the hardware or storage or backup, anything is online access for pay-per-use model. The next one, high availability. The data and applications are accessible anywhere from any time. Next one, security and backup. The data is stored redundantly, access multiple locations. Next, for types of cloud computing. So cloud computing generally is classified into two models, deployment models and service models. The deployment models can be classified into four different cloud, that is public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud and multi-cloud. Here what is public cloud? So public cloud means it provides third-party vendors like AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, then Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. Its shared infrastructure is used by multiple customers. Okay. Then private cloud. So private cloud is exclusive to a single organization, providing higher security and control. Next we go for hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud is a combination of both public cloud and private cloud. That is mix of public and private clouds, allowing sensitive data to be stored privately while leveraging public cloud of scalability. The next for multi-cloud. So multi-cloud is using a multiple cloud providers for redundancy and performance optimization. Next we for the service models. So service model is called as IaaS, then PaaS, then SaaS. Here IaaS means infrastructure as a service. So who are the infrastructure provided vendor means AWS, EC2, then Microsoft Azure VM. So AWS and EC2 means Amazon Web Services and electronic cloud computing. Then Microsoft Azure VM means that is virtual machine. So the infrastructure provides virtual machines, storage and networking. Next one, platform as a service. It offers development platforms, databases and runtime environments. So example for Google App Engine and AWS Lambda. The next one, SaaS. So SaaS is a software as a service. It delivers fully managed applications over the internet. It is example are like for Gmail, Microsoft 365 and Zoom. So next we see further what are the benefits of cloud computing. The benefits are cost savings, scalability and flexibility, global accessibility, security and compliances, faster development and disaster recovery. So disaster recovery means automated backups and redundancy, reduced downtime, that is the disaster recovery. Then security and compliance means the cloud providers offers encryption, backup and regulatory compliances. So next for cloud security challenges. So it presents security risks for data breaches and unauthorized access. So data breaches and unauthorized access means so weak identity management can lead to hacking incidents. Next one, misconfigurations. It is purely configured cloud settings can expose sensitive data. Next one, compliances and privacy risks. So companies must comply with the GDPR and HIPAA and PCI-DSS, etc. Next one, insider threats. So employees or contractors may misuse cloud resources, that is called insider threats. Next one, DDoS attacks and malware. DDoS attacks means distributed denial of services. The cloud services can be targeted by cyber criminals only. Thank you.